Hey guys, it's Ali Naseem from Ephlux. Happy 2024, everybody. With the amazing growth that we're seeing with Swift across multiple customers and partners, we are here to announce something very special. We are launching Swift Portal, where every one of you is going to be able to create your own Swift ID and, subject to approval, you'll be able to get access to all the Swift interactive demos. You'll be able to conduct your Swift self-discovery sessions using this discovery questionnaires as well as AI-based assistance. You'll be able to ask for the solutioning, sizing, and pricing estimates right from within the portal. Plus, you'll gain access to the Swift sandbox environments where you can create your own applications, mobile, tablet, scanner, web applications, and portals that you can publish on the Swift App Store. Be able to access trainings and workshops, plus get yourself Swift certified. Plus all the documentation that you would need in order for you to build those applications as well as connect your own ERP instance with Swift. Also, all the good stuff that you already have access to via Swift Innovation Hub, you can keep accessing it directly as well as through the Swift portal. Plus, we'll be supporting you and our teams are going to be supporting you all through that process as you gear yourselves up with the Swift platform. So like I said, now we are at a point where democratizing the access to this game-changing technology that is Swift so that we can empower the whole ecosystem, this growing ecosystem, so that we can all get empowered to provide innovation agility to every enterprise out there. Looking forward to welcoming you to the Swift portal. Our teams are going to reach out via email and other reach outs that they're going to do over the next few days to welcome you on board. Take care. Bye-bye.